ready to ditch the usual commute and hit the open road. Let's unlock your next adventure by showing you exactly how to book a Zoomcar. First, open the Zoomcar app and browse available cars near you, or use the search bar to specify your desired location. You can filter by car type, fuel type, and even transmission. Tap on a car to view its detailed information. Check out the car's images, seating capacity, fuel efficiency, and importantly, the hourly or daily rate. Now, select your pickup and drop-off dates and times. Be precise to avoid any extra charges later on. Zoomcar's flexible booking lets you choose the exact duration you need. Next, choose the insurance plan that best suits your needs. Understanding your insurance coverage is crucial for a worry-free ride. Proceed to the payment section. Zoomcar supports multiple payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and UPI. Select your preferred option and complete the transaction securely. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a booking confirmation with your booking ID, car details, and the exact pickup location. Take a screenshot for easy access. At the designated pickup time, head to the car. Use the Zoomcar app to unlock the vehicle. No keys needed. Ensure you inspect the car for any existing damages and report them through the app before starting your journey. Now, hit the road and enjoy your Zoomcar adventure. Remember to return the car on time and in the same condition.